Anusha, your diva on duty, and welcome to Be Beautiful presents the Glam Van, where I'm giving the most ultimate makeovers. And you know, when I'm giving all these makeovers, I feel like I'm totally working out. So I don't really have time to actually go work out, but I kind of miss it, you know? Okay, I really don't know how to do that. But I do have somebody that does and could probably teach me. It could kind of be a butter. I give her a makeover. She teaches me how to be a super fighter. Payal, come on down. Whoop, whoop. How are you?
Yeah.
I'm so good. You are so cool. Okay, मैं ऐसी करी थी, but that's wrong, right?
Kind of.
Oh, sorry.
Just keep a stable position.
Okay.
And your guards up.
Okay.
So like you don't get punched in the face.
Oh yeah, that's
We
right.
don't want to spoil our face. Right?
We don't want to spoil our faces. Hell no. Okay, so there.
Keep it like this.
Yeah. Right, all right.
That's first. And this is the second.
Second. All right. All right. So Abhi, you teach maths, science, business studies, and economics.
Economics. Yes.
Oh my God. And you're also into sports and you do really well.
I'm a state level bronze medalist from Haryana. And
Okay.
I'm a table tennis player from Delhi, state level. And I'm a district level silver medalist in wrestling.
That is really amazing. Ab yahan pe kyun aaya? Why did you want a makeover?
Like, I really want to explore the feminine side of me.
Okay.
Because I've always been this tomboy and I don't mind it. If people even say it, I don't mind it. It's fine. I take it as a compliment, which
Yeah.
it is.
It is. You
For
know,
sure.
secretly, nobody knows this, but I am a tomboy. I really
I
am.
kind of guessed it.
Yes! Thank you.
As a human being, if you're beautiful, you're just beautiful. Doesn't matter your skin, your color, your
Yeah.
race. It
Exactly.
doesn't matter.
But did it bother you that people would call you a tomboy and, you know?
When I started working out and everything, and I always wanted to have like muscles and body and abs.
Cool.
And I really liked the idea of it as well because I personally feel like I was pretty mentally strong and I needed to be physically too.
Of course.
So I started working out and that's how I like started doing boxing and started playing matches and stuff. So
and
when
just
I was
won a couple of medals on the way, sure. Yeah.
So there was this uncle specifically, उसकी बात hurt करी, like दिमाग में रही कि लड़की वाली body है तोड़ेगी क्या?
God, I just want to scream when I hear this kind of stuff. You are somebody who's come in and shown us that mentally, physically, and academically, you are just bossing it out. So I need to give you a high five for that. That is so awesome, really. So what is your goal? What kind of makeover were you dreaming about?
I'm like open to your ideas
Yeah.
and stuff. No doubt about it. You dress up really nice, right?
you so much.
So I'm in good hands.
Yes, you are, girl. Okay, perfect. We are going to do something really fun with you today, okay? How do you feel about dresses? Do you like wearing them?
I've never worn one.
This is the most exciting day of my life. Oh my God, it's so exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna put you in a dress today. Okay, it's a very different style, okay? So because you're muscly, right, I don't want you to feel not feminine in your dress. So I'm gonna give you long sleeves to ease you into the dress. With your makeup, we're gonna do something really basic, beautiful. And then with your hair, well, I love your hair, by the way. Let's see. So she's like buzzed it on the sides. It's very cool. But we're gonna go really feminine with the hair. Is that cool?
Cool, totally cool.
All right, so what I'm saying is you protect me on the streets and I'll protect you in fashion.
That goes totally.
Goes totally well? Cool. We're ready, let's start. Come on. We obviously know that Payal is quite the Supergirl, but with her dressing, she's always been quite the tomboy. So we're going to switch that up because that's her wish and she wants to feel slightly more feminine. So I'm going to go all out with making her wear a dress for the very first time. Oh my God, that's so exciting. So I've chosen a dress that's not going to scare her. I'm going to keep it flowy because it feels really feminine but still a little bit loose so she's not feeling really stiff and tight in it. And of course I'm going to cinch the waist as always with a belt that comes along with the dress. Okay, I'm gonna keep it in a neutral color because I don't want to scare her with bright colors right away. I'm gonna put on some nice heels and then we're going to do some flowy hair. And with the makeup, I'm actually going to add a little bit of blue to the eyes because I just want her eyes to pop. So I'm gonna keep it simple, feminine, pretty, but it's going to look completely beautiful and it's going to be something that Payal's never done before. I'm so excited that I don't even want to talk to you anymore. Bye. Okay, Payal, ready? Totally. Okay, so you are very similar to me. We have a two-tone skin. Okay, two-tone means that we need to mix colors to get the right color. So we're just gonna start with, like I always do, dabbing under the eyes. So when you apply your base, when it's two-tone, you need to dab it in one color and dab it in the other color. Just dab it all over your face. And then you dab it on your face. Okay, don't do this. No. Okay, just always dab. Okay, so after your base is done, you know, we're going to contour your cheeks. So the trick is, if you do this, a fish face, see the lines that come already? Yeah, so we want to just embrace those lines, just like that. Just follow those lines. Then when you're contouring your nose, you'll see that there's two lines here already. You just have to follow them. So you just go down like that and down like that. And what you're leaving empty is this part, yeah? And then when you're contouring your head, you're just doing it on the sides here. So that gives you a shape. I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter on your nose. See? It just makes your nose look sharper. And then, because you've got thinner lips, we can put highlighter here and make it like pouty, but I'm actually going to do it on your lip. The whole lip. So it gives you a little bit of a lift, okay? And then we do it here on the cheekbones. So this rises, you know, your nose is sharpened and your lips are poutier. Okay, and then defining your eyebrows, because you've already got beautifully shaped eyebrows. So all we need to do is put a little bit of highlighter underneath, under your eyebrows, so it gives that nice, you know, finishing to your eyebrow. All right, so we're gonna do some blue liner on you. Is that okay? It's gonna look super cool. Close your eyes. But are you good at drawing?
Apparently I am.
Oh my God, what are you not good at? You're giving me a complex. All right, we're going to put a little bit of a gold highlighter into the corners of your eyes. Just there. Do you see that?
Yep.
So that kind of gives a catty effect. Now for the mascara. So when I'm doing it like this with your eye closed, I'm getting your bottom lash and your top lash at the same time. Blink. So just dab it on your cheeks. Smile. Yeah, so we know where your cheeks are. Yeah. Okay, lip color is the last thing. We're gonna go for something neutral. Yep, and that is your lip color. Looks so beautiful. So your face is done. Now it's just your clothes and your hair. Come on, Payal, let's go. I don't want to waste a second. This is very exciting for me. You're gonna wear a dress for the first time. Okay, everybody, here she comes. Payal, you look so good. Oh my goodness. How do you feel?
I feel nice. I do feel comfortable.
You do feel comfortable?
I feel a little weird also because it's not the way like I carry myself.
Of course, of course.
But I really, really like it.
This is the first time she's ever wearing a dress. Oh my God. And I gave you some flow here because I wanted to add that feminine touch to it, you know, just have a little bit of ruffles, be a little girly, you know, yeah. Okay, I know you still feel weird, but I promise you, you are going to be shocked when you guys give us this many likes, like so many of them, and then you're going to comment below and tell us how blown away you are by Payal's makeover. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to Be Beautiful over here.
Be beautiful.
This was our final and most incredible makeover. I mean, this is how you finish off with a bang. Thank you so much for tuning in to Be Beautiful presents the Glam van. We've had so much fun in this van, changed so many lives in so many ways, and they've changed mine too. I've had an amazing time, and we've done the ultimate makeovers, and we finished with the most ultimate. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Anusha, your diva on duty, and I'll see you next season for sure. Bye. Give me a high five. Yeah! Okay, now let's practice boxing again. Oh my god, I'm really scared. You look really pretty, but I'm just gonna go. Bye!